Welcome back everyone. So today we have come in Abu Dhabi Mall and it's Manas' birthday on 2nd December and we have come here for his surprise birthday shopping. He doesn't know that we are going to shop here today. I am going to take something for him, like I am going to gift him something today. He doesn't know anything about that. I've just told him that let's go in Abu Dhabi Mall and let's do some shopping, and that's why we have come here. And it's going to be very exciting because he doesn't know anything about it. So stay tuned with us, see what's going to happen, and let's surprise Manas. So guys, this is something that I'm going to take for him. He likes this kind of jackets. This is a bag. This is a t-shirt, polo neck t-shirt, and this is a jacket. So I'm in Baksha now. This is a very good brand. You get very good clothes here. So this is what I'm going to take for him because he likes jackets and it's his birthday. So let him go a bit trendy. So this is one more thing that I've selected. So this is one more t-shirt that I've selected for Manas. So he can wear it in the jacket also. And I'm thinking to take one of the hoodie from here. Maybe we'll be taking that one. Yeah, that one. It's almost 12 o'clock, just 1 minute left. So let's go and wish Manas. It's his birthday today and I'm very excited. It's 12 o'clock. Going to be 12 o'clock, not yet. So let's go and wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pipi da dada na jawa, pipi da. Say happy birthday, dada. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, good morning everyone. So the day started and I've ordered some breakfast for Manas. We couldn't go out in the morning because he got up late and I wanted to start his birthday very nicely. So I've ordered some breakfast for him and this is what I've ordered for him. You can see it's the brand called Chick Bake and you get very good quality of chicken and chicken nuggets and crispy chicken, everything, and it's very tasty and he likes it. The main thing is that he likes it and that's why I've ordered it for him. He doesn't know. He's asking me from last 20 to 25 minutes that please tell me something, that what do we have to do for breakfast, or do we have to go out, or should we make something in the house. But I'm just ignoring him that wait. Now I'll show him this, I'll give him this and I'm sure he'll be happy and his day will start very nicely. And yeah, come on, let's start his birthday. Manas is in the gallery. We'll tell him to have his breakfast. Manas?
Yeah.
Come. Your breakfast is here.
Oh wow. What did you make for me?
I didn't make anything for you.
You said you are making something.
I didn't make anything for you.
Oh, fish chick bake! Guys, I just love this. Oh, hot.
It is hot here. It has just come. It is very hot.
Guys, straight enough. Nice. Breakfast.
And Monu has also liked it.
Yeah, obviously, like.
Yeah.
As I see chick bake, I am like.
Do. Manas,
Yeah.
there's something for you. Go and see in the door. Something has come.
I have to receive it, something.
Yeah, you have to receive it. Go and. Now he's coming, huh? Let's see what he brings. What did you get?
Oh yeah!
What is that? Which cake is it? See.
Nummy!
You like the cake?
Extremely love it.
Chalo, now let's cut the cake.
No.
Why?
Evening.
No, you have to cut it now. Your birthday has started, right? Cut it
I'm
now.
not even dressed for cutting.
That's
the cake.
okay.
No. Hi guys, so Ankita is doing auction for us. And auction, yeah, auction. It is a Marathi word. I am bad in Marathi. Not bad, but yeah, a little bad in Marathi.
You also want?
He doesn't want anything.
तुम्हाला पाहिजे?
Doesn't want to sit here.
तुम्हाला पाहिजे? तुम्हाला पाहिजे? पाहिजे?
पाहिजे त्यांना काहीतरी वेगळंच पाहिजे
द्यायचं
द्यायचंय
द्यायचं थांबा.
बसा इथं बसला तर मिळतं
तुम्ही बसला की देणार? तुम्हाला पण करायचं? जय जय
जय जय
ना.
गुड बॉय बसला तरच मिळतं
गोड पाहिजे सगळं.
I got more than you.
So we are done now and we are going. Where are we going? Tell Manas.
So we are going to celebrate the birthday and
Come take this.
yeah, so we'll continue with the vlog. I just love this jacket. Thank you so much. This is
Hey. Hello, birthday boy.
birthday boy is enjoying. So this is the place, Forest Cafe and Restaurant, and it's a lovely place. Just too good, too good. I just love this place. See, yeah, that place is nice. It's too good, guys. So this is like that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cake क्या? Very good. Let's give cake to Manas. Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's so nice. Thank you. Big one.
Very big. Be starting something from this birthday. We have to say something good about the person whose birthday is that. So it's your birthday today, so I'll
Sad. I thought I have to say something
No.
good about you. I got
be
excited.
no.
I just need a chance.
You can do it
to say
next year.
something
You
good
can
about
you can do it next year
Why
on
did
my
you tell
birthday.
this on your birthday?
This was a surprise for you.
Sad life. Now I will feel bad.
No, you
And I
can do
didn't
it
say
next
anything
year.
on your birthday.
You can do it on the anniversary. We can talk about each other, no problem. So it's your birthday today, and I'm going to talk something. No, not talk, but tell everybody that what I feel about you and how much you mean for me. So why do you have to laugh?
Excited,
It's
I'm
going to be
excited.
very emotional.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first thing is I love you a lot.
Thank you.
You are the best thing that has happened to me ever.
Same here.
You can't repeat it. You can't repeat it. You can't repeat it.
Okay.
Because, guys, I want to tell you one thing that we met in school. Then we were together in the college. After our graduation, we had to get separated. He had went for his MBA. I went for my fashion designing, and that time was a long distance relationship. But all these years that we spent together in our relationship were more than wonderful.
Yeah, the journey was good.
It was too good. Like
True.
there were ups and downs. There were like a very emotional phase and everything we have experienced in our relationship. But I can tell you, this boy has never ever disappointed me. He was the most wonderful thing that has happened to me, as I said before also.
And you
And
decided to make me cry.
no, I'm not making you cry, but I'm just expressing from my side that he's the best, guys. He's the best. Like, he's the best life partner. He's the best. He is my best friend first, then my
That's
best
what makes
life.
it special, I guess.
Yeah, then I've got a best life partner, I can say. He's the best dad. Yeah, he's the best dad, and most important, he's a very loving and caring husband. I have no more words to, express, because all the words in this universe are going to be very less for, to just talk about him. But he's kind, he's loving, he's caring, he's very helpful. He's not only helpful from, like, for me or like for my family, but he is in genuine a very helpful human being. He's a very nice guy.
My God, too many good things.
There are many things that I want to say, but I just want to tell you one thing, that I love you a lot, and I want you to be there with me, like in all those coming janams, years and years and janams and janams.
No, I would love to. I would love
Yeah.
to, because for me also, not the right time. I don't want to say anything. I would accept everything, and really thank you to say all of that. And it's really been magical, because I also feel that for you to be so nice, the other person also should be that nice. You should feel comfortable. You should. Cutting the story short, it's all because of you being that good, not me being that good. It's
No.
like that. But
No, don't talk about me now. You're just going far from the topic. No, it is your day, and
thank you so much. But yeah, it is the truth that you feel comfortable, or you do everything, or you would like to do everything only for a person who that person is like that. And I have had very few best friends whom I could share everything with, and I would say only you.
yeah,
So when you have
same from my side.
yeah, so that's where it started clicking.
But guys, let me tell you one thing, that he was not as he is now. He was a,
It's horrible.
no, not horrible, but yeah, he was very, the way he has changed, the way he has, he used to play football, and football was everything for him. Friends were everything for him. But in our relationship, like, boys don't give that much priority to the relationship, and they don't like to change that much. But this person has, left everything. And I was not the one who told him to leave everything. I used to always tell that I love when you play football. I like a lot when you play football. But he left everything, and he just focused on our relationship. Though it was a long distance relationship, he always focused on our relationship and tried to give me time, give the relationship time, do extraordinary things in our relationship. I there are many things. Someday we'll just sit and have a chat, that what he has done for me. He's an extraordinary guy. He is a wonderful guy, wonderful human being that I have met. And I don't think that I can expect more than this in my life because this is all that a girl wants. This kind of a person, yeah. And I have it, and I'm very lucky to have you. I love you,
I'm so grateful.
and happy birthday once
Thank
again.
you. This is the best thing than any materialistic thing, and this is the best gift. To share what you feel requires a lot of guts.
Yeah.
And though you said you're short of words, but you have said so many things that I
Actually, your birthday will, go like this only if I keep talking because there is a lot to
No
talk.
party
There is a
this
lot, yeah. No party and no after party. Only, yeah. So let's stop it here. Let's start the party. And yeah, for the starters, we have ordered this. We have ordered this chicken nuggets and fries.
Wow.
This is Choco. What is this? Choco
I think Choco
Lagoon. No, this is Choco Lagoon. And what is this?
I forgot by the time. I'm in a different trance now.
This
I'm feeling
is-
the best person in this world. Too much of. I'm like this now.
Yeah, so this is what we have ordered, and this is a coffee, frosting coffee, and here we're going to have this now.
This also we have ordered from the main course, some brown bread and some scrambled eggs with some butter. So we'll have that also now. Yeah, so guys, the place is really good, and the food is also good. I just love the place. If you see, the vibes are too good. It's peaceful, nice, and very good selection. I love the selection.
Thank you.
Too good. And yeah, we'll just enjoy our food now. And this is how I'm celebrating my birthday. Too much of praising for. And yeah, this is how I'm celebrating my birthday. Too good, too nice. And make sure you subscribe because subscribing is free, guys. Subscribe to the channel because subscribing is free of cost, but it helps us a lot to grow, to motivate. So make sure you like the videos. Liking is also important because that again will help us grow our channel. And subscribe, like, share it with your friends. Make sure we reach our goals. And yeah, enjoy the vlogs. Take care. Bye bye.